Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for a daily Anfield Road Expansion update. I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet because it is spitting a bit and I've got the wind muff from my way, so I'm going to have to try and keep that covered. But as you can see at the moment, we've got the cladding being done. Which everyone's been waiting for, so yeah, there it is. I haven't actually witnessed any pieces going on yet, but let's just pull down a touch. There we go. Do apologise for the wind noise, guys, if you can hear it. So let's stay here and watch a piece going on. See how they do it. Oh, it's on its way up. Little bit of a slow process, but we're getting there. And this should do it for my thumbnail as well. Happy days. Right, let's see where they're going here. Just pull out a little touch while they're getting it into place, and then we'll have a look at the inside then. Before it gets too wet. I'll tell you what, we know what's going on there, so I'll just fly inside and see what's going on. Down there. So there's still nothing going on there. They must be having problems getting them final pieces in the back there. Okay. Alright, no problems. Let's have a quick look down here. I can't get too low because I'll lose signal. Especially in this rubbish weather as well. Yeah, that cordon's still there, but people said they could see ropes hanging down, like rope access were there, so I can't see anything from here, so I might have to approach from a different angle tomorrow, but we'll just see. let's get back on the outside. So the drone wanted to return to home, so just come back over. I think it's because the weather's not great, so. So just have a quick look at these again, then I'll call it a day after that, guys. But it's a bonus to see this going up now. So let me zoom out and just give you an idea of what they're doing. Yeah, I forgot the wind muff on my mic and I'm pretty annoyed at myself for doing that. Always double check my kit before I leave the house, and I forgot to check the wind muff. Right, I'm going to leave that there, guys. If the weather picks up later, I'll come back tonight and have a look at the progress. But if not, it's just going to be a case of coming back tomorrow when the weather should be better. It's getting a bit too wet now. I'll have one more zoom in here. So there we go, guys. Going to leave it there. If you like the channel, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. Comment. Let me know what you think about this going on, and give us a thumbs up if you like it. I really shouldn't come out in this in this weather, but I heard the cladding was going up, so I had to get up and have a look at it. It's what we've all been waiting for, innit? And there it is. Right, thanks for watching, everyone. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.